Boosted posts do not work anymore, and Meta just changed the way that local Instagram ads are run forever. And the first videographers and video businesses that understand how this works and understand how to set it up the right way will absolutely dominate in their city. And here's the thing, in this video I'm going to break down exactly how it works, how to set up the campaigns, why this is working, and why the old way is not working anymore. And I'll show you what kind of results you can get. So let's dive in. Again, boosted posts do not work anymore because what you were doing was you were launching one ad, one campaign, and hoping that that ad would bring you leads. And the way it's working now is completely different. It's the opposite. And I'll break down exactly how it works. I don't want to get ahead of myself here. I want to show you what it's doing. So the hybrid funnel is an absolute game changer. The hybrid funnel is what my videographer clients are implementing just to show you what kind of results you can get within days of launching it. So I got more followers today than I did in the last week from the new campaign. Same for John, who just joined this week, and same for Jacob and a bunch of others. I can't overwhelm you guys with screenshots, but it's absolutely printing. And you need to understand that local businesses following you every day, asking you for your service, is what leads to way more sales, right? We don't want just random followers. We don't want random leads coming in every single day. No, we want highly targeted business owners. And this new strategy is what allows you to bring in the best leads possible. That way you can convert them. And full transparency, you might be thinking, why should I even listen to this guy? Well, I've helped over 275 videographers just like you implement this strategy. And let me show you the kind of results they're getting by implementing the hybrid funnel. Los made $93,000 in April. This is our winners chat. We have over 190 videographers currently in here. Tyler's like, dude, I'm literally at the beach closing deal. Tung just closed a $6,000 deal. Natalie, $50,000 in the last 3 days. Absolutely insane results. I'm very transparent. This is the kind of results you can expect when you set up ads the right way. Just closed a real estate agent, $10,000 paid in full. He signed up 10 days ago. 10 days ago. Fernando, same thing. Look at this. Absolutely insane the kind of results you can get. Clients closing their first deals. Let me show you one more. Reyes just had a $107,000 a month. Absolutely insane. Look at that. What's up, guys? I want to share something with you. Boris and the team have a killer process you just got to execute. So let's talk about what this actual process looks like. But I needed you to see the kind of results you can get. So again, you saw the kind of results you can get with the hybrid funnel. And let's dive into what the old way of doing things was. The old way was one highly targeted ad talking to, say, service businesses, right? And this was the old way because we would just depend on this one creative to bring us leads every single day, right? Here's Luke over here, one of my top clients. Here's Reyes, who hit over 100K last month. Tracy, you might see their ads if you're in their cities. But the old way was one highly edited ad in a boosted post. And so we're kind of putting all of our eggs in one basket, and this simply does not work anymore. And what I'm going to show you is how you could dial in your messaging and split test creatives. And so basically what you need to be doing is talking to service businesses and making yapping content on your Instagram. And you need to make, it doesn't need to be high quality. It can be just yapping content, you talking specifically to these service businesses. And it doesn't need to be like highly scripted ads, because the best ads that are working in 2026 are ads that don't look like ads. Let me say that again for you to understand this. The best ads in 2026 that get you the highest conversions, the lowest customer acquisition costs, and the best results ever are ads that do not look like ads. They blend in with the feed. And so when you're making this content that's targeting these service businesses, you need to understand that you need to press on their pain points and be very, very direct with your content. And so you also need to understand the levels of awareness when you're making this type of content. So before I show you the exact ads manager setup that I'm going to break down for you, I want you to understand what kind of videos and ads you need to be making. We don't want to make unaware ads. So the levels of awareness are basically the levels of the buyer and where they're at in the stages of the buying cycle. Unaware are people that have no clue that they need your service at all, right? Problem aware and solution aware is the sweet spot. This is who we want to be talking to and making content to. And basically, what problems do local service businesses have? What problems do these people have in your city? They need a local brand. They don't understand how to generate leads. They don't understand how to make high quality content. They don't understand messaging. They don't understand brand awareness. They don't understand all these different things. They don't understand how to convert leads. They don't understand these strategies. So you talk straight to them. They want more leads. They want more growth. They want more revenue, yet they don't know how to actually dial this in. And you also need to understand that this new strategy is going to be an absolute game changer because messaging is always shifting. Something that might resonate today will not resonate 6 months from now. Or, to give you a better example, you can literally make ads or videos and run them as ads that talk to a person specifically where they're at. So like right now, we just got out of tax season. You can literally talk to service businesses and be like, you just paid Uncle Sam a fat tax bill and you're finally ready to lock in and make this the best year yet. One thing that's going to help you do that is one local Instagram ad and building a local brand here in town. That messaging wouldn't resonate in 2 months, but it resonates right now more than ever. And so you always want to be testing messaging and talking to the different levels of problems of awareness, right? Solution aware and problem aware and solution aware are the most sophisticated buyers. These are the people that are the warmest in your actual strategy. And so you also need to understand that you need to let Meta put your money behind the winners and cut the losers. Here's what it's going to look like. Instead of doing a boosted post, what we're doing now is we're running them on Ads Manager, and it's one campaign, one local ad audience, and then you fill it with 7 to 10 creatives. And I have multiple of these campaigns running right now. They're absolutely crushed. I just launched this one like 20 minutes ago before lunch, and it's already doing well, right? And so you literally let Meta dictate who the winners are. And so what's going to happen is if I put 7 to 10 in here, 2 to 3 are going to be the winners. And the winners, they take up all of the ad spend. And then what I'll naturally do is just cut the losers. I'll just delete the losers. Not delete them. You want to keep them in the actual campaign, but I will just, I'll turn them off. And this is an absolute game changer because here's the thing. You will not get glued to a single local Instagram ad. What's going to happen is you are going to test a ton. You're going to test a whole lot more, and the game is entirely different now. You will literally go and make pieces of content on your Instagram. You will see what, and these are organic pieces of content, you will see what resonates the most with your audience, and you take 2 or 3 of the winners, and then sooner or later, you put them all into one campaign, and then they will tell you what the true winners are. And so, I'm not Picasso over here, but literally, this is organic IG, and then you take the winners of the organic, and then you put them into ads, right? And you put them into ads. That was some ugly drawing, but it is what it is. And then you let the ads indicate who the winners are, and those are going to be extremely profitable because it's messaging that resonates right now with the specific user. It's messaging that resonates right now with these business owners. And some of you are trying to hit 10K for your first time or 20K, 30K for your first time. If you understood how simple this game is, we have literally thousands of wins. Thousands of wins. And here's the thing. We have the #1 videographer program in the world because we've cracked the code to offer and ads. Like Luke literally went to $200,000 a month. Ray has crossed over 100K a month. Tyler crossed over 30K a month in his first 3 months. All these people, 26K a month, 27K a month in 27 days. Why are they able to do this? Because we flood them with more leads than they can handle. We show them how to wake up to new leads every single day, and the game is shifting right now. And here's the thing. The first videographers that understand how to do this the right way, they win. And it's inevitable because everyone else is either relying on referrals or doing the old boosted strategy, which is flopping like crazy right now, and it's only going to get worse. But here's the thing. It is not enough to just get leads in. You need to be able to convert them. And you need to delegate this to a virtual assistant. But we have a killer setting framework that absolutely prints. You want to find out if they've ever run local ads. You want to pitch the meeting, and then you want to do this meeting in person, and then you take and then you do our in-person PIFs framework, in-person paid in full framework, and you absolutely crush it with that. And so this gets me excited because this is brand new. The videographers that are about to crush it are going to be on top of things, and they're the first ones to adapt and the first ones to implement this. And so someone in your city is about to do this, and they're going to win. And if you want the exact setup, the exact campaign setup, ads setup, ads messaging setup, what's working, we already have all the proven ads that absolutely print, exact winning ads, the exact winning offer, ads plus content, because let's be real, if you're just selling content packages in 2026, you're screwed. You need to be able to give businesses a result. Ads plus content is key. Proven setting framework, proven sales framework, sales sniper strategy, custom CRM and AI tracker, which will not let a single lead slip through the cracks. That way you're always absolutely crushing it. And this is something we've been spending months building and just release it to our clients as well. So most of all, you finally want to scale your video business, book in a call down below. This is brand new. This strategy absolutely crushes. Literally, my videographer clients are telling me, Boris, I can't keep up with all the leads. So many people want to hire me for my service. So many people are packing out my calendar that I can't keep up with it. They're like, Boris, should I turn off the ads? I'm like, no, keep it going. This is like, get out of your comfort zone. Like, now we scale. Now we push ourselves. And so if you're watching this and you're like, dude, I need systems and I need to wake up to new leads every single day, like, probably do. It's the only thing that's going to get you to the next level. So if you're serious about growing, book in a call. We'll do a deep dive into your city. We'll show you the breakdown of how this works. And if you are a good fit, we'll make you an offer. If not, then probably not, right? We don't want to work with everyone. We have literally winners in this chat. Like, we have a community of people doing $100,000 plus a month, $93K a month, $50K a month, $107K a month, countless over $50K a month. Like, these are winners. We don't want to work with just anyone. We don't need just anyone. Our team has 12 sales calls a day. We want qualified people that are ready to actually grow, that are ready to be pushed, that are ready for a system that's going to help them explode their business. If that's you, book in a call. If you're like, oh, I'm on the fence, I don't know if I want to grow yet, don't waste my time. Don't waste my team's time, right? Go watch some more YouTube videos. Have an amazing day. The first people that implement this are going to absolutely crush. Let's go.